From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colbreth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. Let's go ahead and step you through the forecast. We have a lot to talk about. So for today, we'll have small chances of rain this morning in the Cascades, Blues, and Blue foothills, but it'll be a mostly dry day. And for tonight, rain starts to pick up this evening across the map, likely reaching peak intensity after midnight. Snow levels will mostly be up aroard 5,000 feet overnight, so snow likely won't impact Snoqualmie Pass or Cabbage Hill, but we can't rule out a light glaze of freezing rain during the mid to late evening for Snoqualmie Pass. And I think the bigger impact from tonight is going to be the winds gusting out of the south and southeast, upwards of 45 miles per hour for the Cascades, 50 miles per hour for the Blues, up to 35 miles per hour for the Blue foothills. So we certainly could see some downed tree limbs or some spotty power outages. And the wind gusts will linger into tomorrow, but overall they should be weaker. And then for tomorrow, Christmas Eve will be a wet day, especially to start, and will trend drier after lunchtime, although that process could take a little bit longer for the Cascades, Blues, and Blue foothills. And then for Christmas Eve night, a few light rain showers could be left over in the lower Columbia Basin and Blue foothills during the mid to late evening, but lower elevation should be mostly dry. Snow levels will likely drift below 3,000 and 3,500 feet, so we could see a transition to snow for Snoqualmie Pass and Cabbage Hill by the early to mid evening, and snow will likely end in the Blues before midnight. Meanwhile, it could last through the night in the Cascades. Okay, now on to some of the snowfall totals we're thinking for Monday and Tuesday. Between 3 to 6 inches of snow for US 2 and US 12, between 1 to 2 inches for Interstate 90 and US 97, probably less than a couple of inches for our Blue Mountain passes. Here's some of the water totals we're thinking for Monday and Tuesday. Between 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch for the valleys, between 1/4 to 1/2 for the Basin and foothills, also for the Cascades, and between 1/2 to 3/4 in the Blue Mountains. Here are additional totals we're thinking for Christmas Day. 3 to 4 inches of snow for Snoqualmie Pass, less than an inch of snow for Cabbage Hill, definitely more for passes above 3,500 feet. And then in terms of the water for Christmas Day, not much doing for lower elevations or the Blues, but anywhere between 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water for the Cascades. Then we have another storm system for Thursday and Friday. With this one, snow levels bounce between 3,500 to 4,000 feet, 2 to 3 inches of snow for Snoqualmie Pass, less than 1 inch for Cabbage Hill, but again, much more for those passes above 3,500 feet. And then in terms of the water we could get for this one, my goodness, definitely a much wetter storm system, especially for the Blues, but especially for the Cascades. Upwards of 2 to 2.5 inches of water. And then we have another storm system, folks, into Saturday and Sunday. So it just kind of keeps on coming at this point. And the high temperatures staying about 5 to 15 degrees above average for this time of the year. Here's the 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. Mostly dry Christmas Day, then wetter and warmer for Thursday and beyond. In Yakima, small shower chances Christmas Day, then rain likely Thursday through Saturday. In Ellensburg, the same cycle as Yakima. Small rain chances Christmas Day, then rain likely past Thursday. In Hermiston, a mostly dry holiday, then wetter and warmer starting the day after Christmas. Then for Walla Walla, also mostly dry Christmas Day, but our pattern turns wetter again starting Thursday.